Short form content is one of the best and easiest ways that you are going to be able to market your model in OFM. With OFM, you do have certain limitations when it comes to content. So we're going to be discussing how to make unlimited short form content for your model today.
In the OFM space or any influencer marketing, content is king. And we all know this because if you can make mass amounts of content, you can hit a mass amount of audience. Now, why is AI so significant? It's because you can make unlimited content. So that's going to allow you to become the best in the space because there's no limitations on what content you can provide and market with your model or influencer. But in this video, we're going to be going over what are you actually going to fucking do with that content and how you're going to get money from it.
So when you're scrolling through TikTok, you may come across a carousel. Now, a carousel is a selection of images that a user on TikTok can basically swipe like that for fucking hours. So instead of getting the pretty little dancing videos, instead what you can do is actually make TikToks with images. Obviously, with AI, you can go into the image generator and literally generate an image like that. So you can imagine the amount of content that you can just make on tap with carousels.
And as you know, if you ever have done social media marketing, consistency is key, and social media platforms favors those who are consistent. So if you can easily make loads of content, get it out there every single day without hassle or having to nag a model or an influencer, then that is going to give you a massive benefit when it comes to marketing and expanding within the space that you're in.
Because we all know how difficult models can be to work with in the OFM space.
Also, as well, when it comes to AI and trends, unlimited content, etc., you can make unlimited trend. Now, the reason for this is because you can generate images based on the trend, which models often struggle to do. You find a trend, you straight away get on the image generator, you generate that trend. With a model, you find a trend, you send it across to them. If that trend's on a beach, and they live in the middle of fucking London, then they're not going to be able to get to the beach for a few days, most likely. So it makes it a lot harder to continue down that trend route. So AI is so significant when it comes to hitting trends and hitting trends fast, because you can get mass content instantly on that trend and get more views, because we all know that virality always comes from trends.
Another reason why AI models are so favored for short form content is you can just make unlimited amount of videos. Imagine a girl who can only produce one dancing video or up to 3 dancing videos per day versus you can sit at your computer, generate images and make unlimited TikToks from trends that you find on there.
You can do it in half the time and the quality is going to be significantly higher because you have selected the best quality image or video for this content. So that is why AI can make unlimited short form content, which then you can use for marketing in 2024. And they were the main ways that you're going to be able to market that on TikTok. There's new methods on Instagram as well, where Reels, you can literally post an image of your AI model with a trending sound in the background and a very simple caption. And this is going to get your model about 500 views per image. And you may be thinking that is shit. However, if you post 20 images on 20 different accounts that are all getting 500 views, that is still a lot of viewage for your page. So it may not be the best quality content, however, you're still getting more views onto your social media pages. So you're still going to benefit in the long run.
So once again, we have pretty much proven why AI models will be more superior in the very, very near future. So it is a trend that you're going to want to jump on to be able to make money online. If you are looking to get involved with something like this, you need a community and education that you just can't get for free. We have a course in the description. It comes with a huge network full of students, all working towards the same goal as each other, which is to take over the fucking AI space and make a shit ton of money.